Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Insert paperclip into pinhole to remove SIM card tray. Unscrew, then remove access door. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew solid-state drive. Now disconnect keyboard cable. Next, use thin object to pry apart and remove keyboard bezel. Now unscrew and remove keyboard. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Now unscrew and remove bracket, then disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and remove dock frame. Next, unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Now disconnect motherboard cables. Next, unscrew and remove motherboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.